2. Question number 4. If 13,824 is equal to 2 power a into 3 power b, then find a and b. Here you have to factorize this 13,824 into the prime factors of 2 and 3. So, your factorize like this, isn't it? 13,824 is divisible by 2. So, you get 6,912. Again, it is ending with 2. So, it is factorized by 2. So, you get 3,456. Again, by 2, you get 1,728. Because since it is even, again it is divisible by 2. 864. Then again divisible by 2. 432. Again divisible by 2. 216. Again divisible by 2. 1 2 is 2. Here it is 0. Then 16. 8 2s are 16. Again divisible by 2. 5 2s are 10. 4 2s are 8. Again divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 7 2s are 14. Again divisible by 3. Then 9 3s are 27. Then 3 3s are 9. So this can be written as 13,824 can be written as 2 power 9. How many 9s are there? Count it here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 2 power 9 into 3 power 3. 1 2 3. So 3 power 3. When comparing with the given equation, that is 2 power a into 3 power b, here 2 power a, instead of a here it is 9 and b here it is 3. That is the answer for the given question. Then question number 5. Question number 5, if p1 power x power 1 into p2 power x power 2 into p3 power x power 3 into p4 power x power 4 is 1,13,400, where P1, P2, P3, P4 are prime numbers in ascending order and x1, x2, x3, x4 are integers. Find the value of P1, P2, P3, P4 and x1, x2, x3, x4. Here 1,13,400 is factorized into prime factors. And the prime factors are arranged in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big, isn't it? So the factors can be arranged as small number to big number. After arranging this, you have to find out the value of the prime factors P1, P2, P3, P4 and their powers. They are x1, x2, x3 and x4. Let's factorize this number. P1, P2 are ascending order. So we can factorize like this. 1,13,400 is factorized into 2. So you get 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14. Then double zeros. Again 2. 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16, 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 0. Again divisible by 2. 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 1 2 is 2, 7 2s are 14. Then balance 1, 5 2s are 10. It is ending with 5. So we can divisible, it is divisible by 5. So 2 5s are 10. And then 8 2s are 40. Then 3 5s are 15. Again balance 2. 5 5s are 25. Again divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25. Then 33. 33 means 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. Now it is divisible by 3. So you get 1 3 is 3. Balance 2. So 8 3s are 24. Balance again 2. 9 3s are 27. Again divisible by 3. 6 3s are 18. 3 3s are 9. Again divisible by 3. 2 3s are 6. 1 3 is 3. Again divisible by 3. 7 3s are 21. So we can arrange this number as in ascending order. That is, first small factors are 2. So 2 power 3. 3 numbers are there. So 2 power 2 into 2 into 2. 2 power 3. Then The next smallest number is, next greater number is 3. So 3 power 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 power 4. Next higher number is 5. So 5 power 2. Then the last number 7 power 1. These are the factors of 1,13,400. Now you have to compare with the given expression. Given expression, now here it is P1. P1 is 2. P2 is 3. P3 is 5. P4 is 7. Then x1 is 3. x2 is equal to 4. x3 equal to 2. And x4 is equal to 1. That is the answer for the given question. Okay, children. Then the next question, sixth one. Find the LCM and the HCF of 408 and 170 by applying Fundamental Theorem of Arithmetic. Fundamental Theorem of Arithmetic means you have to factorize these two numbers and find out the LCM and the HCF. You have already learned in smaller classes, isn't it? So we can factorize the first number, 408. It is divisible by 2. So you get 204. Again divisible by 2. So 102. Again divisible by 2. 5 2s are 10. 1 2 is 2. Again divisible by 3. 1 3 is 3. 7 3s are 21. So the factors of 408 is 2 power 1 2 3. 3. 2 power 3. Then 3 power 1 and 17 power 1. The next number can be factorized like this, 170. It is divisible by 2. So 8 2s are 16, 5 2s are 10. Again 5 table, 1 5 is 5, 7 5s are 35. So 2 into 5 into 17, 170. From this 2 you have to find out the LCM and the HCF. What is LCM? Least common multiple. So in the common factors you have to take the highest degree. Highest degree we have to take. Common factors. In this common factors you have to write the highest degree. So non-common factors also you have to write and multiply. That is the LCM. HCF means only common factors. Highest common factor. Common factors means both the numbers are having common factors means the lowest degree is the common for both, isn't it? So you get LCM is equal to the common irukakudiyadhula highest degree edukano 2 power 3. அதே மாதிரி காமன் இல்லாததையும் LCM காமன் மல்டிபிளுக்கு எடுக்கணும். 3 into 5 into 7 வந்து காமன், அதில் highest degree that is 1 only. So LCM when you are multiplying these numbers, 2 power 3 means you get 8 into 3 into 5 into 17. You get the answer 2040. Then HCF. HCF, how to take HCF or GCD? Same only. அது வந்து ரெண்டுலேயும் காமனாக இருக்கணும் இல்லையா? ஸோ இந்த காமனாக இருக்கக்கூடிய ஃபேக்டர்ஸில் லோவஸ்ட் டிகிரி எடுக்கணும். அதுதான் ரெண்டுலேயுமே காமனாக இருக்கும். ஸோ 2 power 3, here it is 2 power 1. So the common one is 2 power 1 only. Here also 17 power 1. Both are having common. So 17 power 1. So 2 into 17 you get 34. So LCM is 2040 and GCD is 34. Okay children, that is the answer for the given question 6. Then find the greatest number consisting of 6 digits which is exactly divisible by 24, 15 and 36. Greatest number consisting of 6 digits. Greatest number consisting of 6 digits that we know. You have to put 6 nines. That is the greatest number, isn't it? Which is exactly divisible by this number means first you have to find out the LCM of these 3 numbers. Then that LCM you have to divide the 6 digit number. You get any remainder. that remainder you have to subtract from this 6-digit number. That is the answer for the greatest 6-digit number exactly divisible by these numbers. When you are finding least common multiple of this number, that common multiple is divisible by these 3 numbers, isn't it? So after that, the common multiple you have to divide the 6-digit number. If any remaining is coming, you have to subtract. First you find out the LCM of 24, 15 and 36. So 24 can be factorized as 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. Like that, 15 can be factorized as 3 into 5. Then 36 can be factorized as 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. Okay. Then what is common here? LCM means common factors la nama highest degree edukanum. So LCM is equal to இங்கே 2 power 2 இருக்கு, இதுலேயும் 2 power 3 இருக்கு. So highest degree is 2 power 3. Then 3 power 1, here 3 power 1, 3 square. So highest degree 3 square எடுக்கணும். Then common இல்லாதது எடுக்கணும். Common இல்லாதது 5 power 1. That also you have to take. So when you are multiplying this, you get 360. 8 into 9 into 5. 360 you get. The greatest 6-digit number 9999999. This one is the greatest 6-digit number. It is exactly divisible by 360 only we want to find out. So you have to divide the number by this 360. So first 2 times you get 720. When you are subtracting, you get here 9. 9 subtract 2, 7. And 9 subtract 7, 2. 279. Then take the next digit. You get here. Again 7 times. You get 2520. While subtracting, again you get 279. Take the next 9. Again it is 7 times. 2520. When subtracting, you get 279. You take the last 9. So again 7 times it is having 2520. You get the balance 279 is the remainder. So exactly divisible by this particular number means you have to subtract the remainder from the given number. That number is divisible by 360. So you have to subtract 279 from this biggest 6-digit number. So you get the answer like this. This one is the required answer. So 9,99,720 is greatest 6-digit number exactly divisible by the given 3 numbers 24, 15 and 36. That is the answer for the given question. Then we pass on to the next question, 8th one. What is the smallest number that when divided by the 3 numbers such as 35, 56 and 91 leaves remainder 7 in each cases? What is the smallest number? Here also we have to find out the LCM of these 3 numbers. LCM of these 3 numbers, you get 7th table. It is going for these 3 numbers. So you get 5. Here it is 8. Here 13. So LCM of this 3 number is, when you are multiplying these numbers, you get 3640. The smallest number that when divided by the 3 numbers and leaves remainder 7 is, the smallest number means this one is the least common multiple which is divisible by 3 numbers, isn't it? But the question is, when divided by the three numbers, it will leaves remainder 7. So what you have to do? Least you have to add the remainder 7 with this least common multiple. That is the required answer for the given question. Okay. Then one more question is there. Find the least number that is divisible by first 10 natural numbers. Least number means you have to find out the least common multiple of the first 10 natural numbers. We know the first 10 natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Find out, factorize these numbers. First you take 2 table, 1, here it is 1. Then here 4 is divisible by 2, so 2. Then 6 is divisible by 2, so 3. 8 is divisible by 2, so 4. 10 is divisible by 2, 5. Again divisible by 2, you have to factorize like this. Here 1, 2 is 2. Here 2 2s are 4. Again divisible by 3 means here it is 1. This 3 become 1. And a 9 become 3. Again divisible by 5 means you get this 5 become 1 and this 5 also become 1. So LCM of this 10 numbers are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 2 into 3. So when you are multiplying these numbers, you get 2520. So the least number that is divisible by first 10 natural numbers is 2520. That is the answer for the given question. Then the exercise problems are over. You have to complete all the sums in your maths note. Thank you.